Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is October 4th, 2020. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, one of Timer Digest's top-ranked stock market timers. Well, I've been trading for over 30 plus years. We just started our recent day trading account 3 years ago. You can see our track record there, off to a great start in 2018, a down year last year, and 2020 got off to a great start. I average over 700 trades a year. So if you don't want to sit around your computer all day like I do, you can go to Striker Securities. They will Auto-Trade Woodson Wave Report. And while I've been around for a long time, we're relatively new to YouTube, so I always appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, the reminder bell, and the like button. We appreciate you guys supporting our page. Today we're going to get into the S&P 500, the gold market, and we'll update our usual weekly with the Tesla. Going to the S&P, this is a daily chart of the S&P. Here is our expanding triangle, which makes the January of 2018 high, wave 3. Here is A down, B up, C down, D up, wave E down for 4. And this is the beginning of 5 from the March lows. Wave 1 up. We have topping at the September high. So we can get a little closer look at that on a 4-hour chart. Here are the oh no, we wanted to say with the with this 4-hour chart, here's the beginning of the decline. Okay, so worst case scenario, we're going to look at the bullish case scenario. Let's just say this is only a retracement of the most recent rise. So this would be an A down. This high here would be B up, and C would equal A at 31.42. So worst case scenario for the bears is a 3-wave decline will take us to 31.42, which of course is the best case scenario for the bulls. So we'll have to really watch this rise up and see what happens here over the next couple of weeks. Speaking of timing, we've got our we've got our Fibonacci time spiral that we want to touch base on. From the all-time high on September 2nd, you can see the first decline bottomed on 9/11, which was a Fibonacci 8 days from the high plus a slippage of 1 day. The next high, or wave 2 up, topped on September 16, which was the next day in the Fibonacci sequence, which was 13 days later of September 15th, again with a plus 1 day of slippage. The next low here was on 9/24, and the next number, date with the Fibonacci sequence of numbers targeted September 23. Again, it had a slippage of plus 1 day, and it bottomed on 9/24. So we are looking for October 6th to mark the next high, or the next turning point high, not necessarily the next wave high, but the next turning point high. So if it keeps in with this system of plus 1 day, then we can not only expect it to top October 6th, but possibly October 7th. So we'll see what the next 2 or 3 days of this week brings, but certainly we're looking for this move up to continue. Okay, so that's it on the, I wanted to get a little closer in with this S&P here. Okay, so on this chart here, let's make this a little bigger for everyone to see. This is going to give us a much better view if we can get it in there. Okay, so that's our March low, March 23rd low, and that is our September 2nd high, and we counted 5 ways up. We're looking for a decline to 30.54. Fibonacci 500 gives us 28.88, while Fibonacci 618 gives us a 27.22 target. It is interesting to note that, and we've referenced this island reversal high, which was since closed. That gap was closed later, but that was back in June. But it's interesting to note, let's see here, I think this extension from there makes this, no, not the extension, my apologies. My apologies, let me wipe that out. The retracement. Give me a second here. We'll get in that Fibonacci retracement of that most recent high off of that low, ABC. So from here, the Fibonacci retracement, not coincidentally, bottomed right at the 618 of this most recent rise. Okay, so again, we think that is the first wave, or A, second wave up, and then C or 3 down. This next week or so should prove interesting. By the way, we want to go back to that Fibonacci time spiral just to complete it. So far, so good. The first 3, the next one is the 4th, should top on October 6th. Then we should expect the alternating sequence for the low to come October 27th. Getting a little bit ahead of ourselves here. We got to see if this thing tops around the 6th or the 7th. But after that, we expect a good 3 weeks of down. We'll see how it plays out. Okay, that's pretty much it for the S&P. There's our other account where it's ABC, looking for 31.42. We'll see how that all plays out. Moving on to gold. Again, everything starts from the March lows, and we count 1 up, 2 down here, and 3 up here. We originally thought this was a triangle. However, it's playing out a little bit differently. We're looking for this 4th wave down. The Fibonacci 618 retracement is 1826. Okay, it may have already bottomed here. We'll see how that plays out. But the make or break, meaning where are we wrong, is this wave 1 high of 1765. Okay, so we expect this to go down and then up in a 5th wave. I've got a lot of lines on here. I'll draw the 5 waves for you guys to understand. But wave 5 equals wave 1 at 2114. So the count still has not changed. Our wave count here is a 5-wave pattern that is 4/5, nearly 4/5 complete. There is wave 1, there is wave 2, there is wave 3. Wave 4 either bottomed here, ideally bottoms here at 1826, but it doesn't go below. Let me just put 4 here and 5 there. Okay, but 4 cannot go below the wave 1 high, so it cannot go here. Okay, there's our make or break right there again at the 1765 level. So far so good. Ideally, this thing bottoms right there at the 1826 at the 618 retracement. We'll see how it plays out. So it looks like it could be impulsive moving up here. If so, 2114 is our target. Tesla, what's going on with Tesla? Here's Tesla's all-time high on September 1st. Here is the first wave down. You can call it A, you can call it 1, whatever you want, okay? Depends on if it's corrective or impulsive. And this is the second or B wave up. So just like we did with the S&P, if this 3rd wave or C wave is going to equal wave 1 or A, then it should go to 288.36. Okay, this stuff in here is a little bit problematic. It's not as long as this high here holds, which is 461. A break above 461, and we're probably going to new all-time highs above 502. That's again alternate. Where are we wrong? Well, break above here, above the B or 2 wave high at 461.88 means it's probably going up past this high back in September 1st. Okay, it's interesting that this advance here from the September 24th low to this most recent high of 448 is almost a perfect 382 retracement. Looks like the futures, this is Sunday night, are getting pretty close to that 411 target. There's 415. What it does from here will be very important, whether it becomes impulsive on the way down to gain this Fibonacci relationship or it moves up above this high. So we should know soon. We'll see how all that works out. Again, thank you guys for watching our channel. We appreciate it. And again, reminder, if you want to auto trade our account, get with Striker Securities or on our website. Again, thank you guys. And until next time, take care, everyone. Bye.